Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $300 a day online. Alright, so I'm going to be breaking down my $1,000 per month formula so you can have the opportunity to do the exact same thing or even better. So just pay very close attention as I'm explaining everything. Alright, now if this is your first time here, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Alright, and also tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. Alright, so with that being said, let's get right into the content. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to start with results because that's what I like to do. I like to show you my results so you know that I'm somebody who you can listen to and actually learn from. Alright, so far this week I've made $368.49. Last week, I made $22.16, so that's roughly about $400 over the past week and a half or so, right? But that doesn't actually compensate for what I've made so far this month. All right, so let me actually scroll down and show you what I've made this month so far. All right, so let's click on the affiliate tab. All right, so far this month, I've made $1,125.04. All right, last month, I made $121, which was a little bit on the lower side, but as you can see, we're back at $1,000 in a single month. All right, so now let me show you how I've actually been able to do that, right? So just pay very close attention throughout the rest of the video, watch it to the end so you can see exactly how you can do the same. All right, so let's scroll up here and I'm going to go to the marketplace. This is the ClickBank marketplace, and this is where you would find your products. But before we talk about products, let me actually take you over here to my notepad, all right? All right, so before you choose a product, you want to pick the right niche, right? Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about whether you're going to get involved in relationships and dating, health and fitness, affiliate marketing, right? Whatever niche you want, right? Let me actually go back to the marketplace page so you can get an idea on some different niches you can get into. All right, so as you can see, there's betting systems. So if you're someone who likes gambling and different things like that, that may be something that may have interested you, right? Maybe you're somebody who enjoys computers and like the internet and different things like that. That may interest you. That may be a niche that maybe that's the field that you're already working in. You can go in that niche, see if there's some interesting things, try out the products, and then make a decision to purchase the product. As I always say, try it out so that when you share it with people, you feel good about it. All right? So just keep that in mind. All right, some other niches. Let's say you enjoy cooking, you can go into the cooking, food, and wine niche. E-business, e-marketing. So that's like kind of in the affiliate. That's kind of like affiliate marketing base. If you want to stick with like online business, like BizOps and different things like that, that's a niche you can go into. Maybe you like education. Maybe you like teaching, right? You can go into that niche. Let's see what else they have. They have green products. They have health and fitness, right? You kind of get the point of what I'm saying. You can go into these different categories and just absolutely dominate if you follow the formula that I'm going to show you here. All right. So we got the niche thing. We got, okay, what we like. All right. So let's go back to step number 2. So now that you have the niche, and there's actually a 1.5, the 1.5 would be where you actually go in there and you choose the product, right? So let's just go into any one of these products. I'll go into cooking, right? So if you like cooking, maybe this video will be a benefit to you, all right? So let's click on this. All right, so as we can see, there is Paleo Hacks cookbooks, right? So this is a cookbook. So automatically, you know that the average sale is $14.37. So if you sell this, that is what you would make. All right, so we got that underhand. All right, so let's go to step 2, where you're going to build out an audience, right? So I want to take you over here to my YouTube channel where I, provide value about marketing, motivation, and mindset and inspiration. All right. Now, that's the intent for my channel. But when I create content based around affiliate marketing, right? Because that's attracting people who want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, people who are already in affiliate marketing, people who want to get better at affiliate marketing, right? So I'm attracting the right crowd. Now, what does that really have to do with the whole process, right? So we picked the niche, we picked the product, but guess what? We built out an audience, right? You see, I have 1,300 subscribers at this point. So now I'm able to leverage the audience I built, right? And also the people that are going to find my video who are not subscribers, right? So I'm bringing in the right crowd of people. All right, so let's go to number 3, right? So it says choose a product to promote. Now I know I put that in there for step 3 and I said that was 1.5, but originally you're kind of doing all of these things almost at the same time. All right, and that's just me, especially once you become experienced with doing these things, then it'll become easy. You'll literally do those at the same time, and then you'll get to the next phases, which we're going to get into here in a minute. All right. So choosing a product, how do you even choose a product, all right? So at this point, let's say you want to promote, let's see, Paleo Reboot, all right? So you're going to make $8.05 every time you sell this product, right? So to promote this product, all you would do, you see this button that says promote, click on that button, and whatever your account nickname is, that's what will show up here. Okay, and you can see you can earn 75% for each paying customer you refer to this product. Okay, so you're going to earn 75% of whatever that price is. All right, so at this point, the tracking ID where it says optional, let's say you're using Twitter, you're also using Facebook ads, or you're using YouTube ads. What you can do here is, let's say if you are using YouTube ads, you can put YT ads. That's what the tracking ID is originally for, right? And then once you do that, this is what it will do. Hit create, and then right here, you see what that says? It gives you a unique raw affiliate link, which you never want to use this link to put out in public. Keep that in mind, and I'll get into that in a few minutes. All right, so you remember we created the YT ads? Here's the tag you created at the end, so you know where that traffic is coming from, right? You always want to know where that's coming from so you can see what's working, all right? So what you do next is you copy that, right? You want to hit Control-C or Command-C, whichever operating system you're on, all right? So what you can do, the fastest way you can do this is you can use a website called bit.ly.com. Now, what Bitly allows you to do is shorten those ugly, long affiliate links, right? So you go to create, and then you paste that in here, and then it creates a short link for you, right? So they created this link for me to get out there and promote with, right? So when I post my link on social media platforms, I'm going to post this link right here. Right? Now, there's a better way to do it if you use a software called clickmagic.com, which allows you to use a domain, right? So you can brand yourself on social media. And then when people click your link, it'll go to your affiliate link, but it's just basically masked over the top of the raw affiliate, the raw ugly affiliate link. All right? All right, so let's exit out of Bitly real fast. All right, so let's go on to the next step. You want to test out your sales funnel process using free traffic. All right, now the reason you want to do this is because before you spend a single dime, you want to know that your sales funnel process works. Now, how are you going to be able to test that? If you can generate 50 sales, 50, right? Anywhere between 50 to 100 sales, then you automatically know that paid traffic is going to work out for you because your sales funnel works. You've already figured that out. All right. All right. So step number 5. Now, after you've tested it out with anywhere between 50 to 100 sales, now you want to use paid traffic to do the exact same thing, because at this point you already know your funnel works. So there's really no more need to test. Now you can scale up your business, and this is where your business starts to make a ton of money. Right? Now, when I first got started back in 2014, I did not understand this. I failed miserably. It literally took me about 6 months. Imagine investing your money and waiting 6 months to make your first sale. Can you imagine that? Well, that was me, right? I struggled for a very long time before I started making, money on the internet, right? My first commission was about $40, and I was excited. But now I'm able to have $1,000 months, and so that's a whole lot more exciting for me. And I want to do that exact same thing for you. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, complete scratch, then I'll leave a link in the description. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you click on the link, only thing you're going to have to do is enter your email. Then it'll take you through the rest of the process. If you decide to take action by going through the $1 trial, all I want you to do is just reach out to me on Facebook. Let me know, hey, Rakeem, I signed up. After that, I'll just reach out to you and maybe we can hop on a call so I can get to know you a little bit more personally. All right. So with that being said, go ahead and click the link in the description if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.